Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get an acorn shell in grounded. To begin, you'll need to craft a busting tool. The best option is a Tier 2 busting tool, like the ant club or the pebblet axe, which can effectively break open the tough outer shell of an acorn. These shells are vital for crafting strong early game gear, providing excellent defense against the backyard's many dangers. So, let's get started on finding those valuable acorns. To successfully crack open an acorn, you absolutely need a Tier 2 busting tool. A basic pebblet axe simply won't do the trick. It's not strong enough. Consider crafting an ant club, which requires 3 ant parts, 2 acid glands, and 2 woven fiber. Another excellent choice is the mint mace, a powerful weapon that also serves as a top-tier busting tool. Having the right tool makes all the difference in gathering these essential resources. The primary location for finding acorns is directly beneath the colossal oak tree, situated in the northern part of the backyard. You'll spot numerous large, brown acorns scattered across the ground. These are the ones you need to target. Remember to approach this area with caution, as the oak tree is a high-traffic zone for various hostile insects, including formidable spiders. Always be prepared for a fight while gathering. Once you've located an acorn and equipped your Tier 2 busting tool, simply approach the acorn and repeatedly strike it until it breaks apart. Each large acorn will typically shatter into several valuable components. You'll collect multiple acorn shells, which are perfect for crafting sturdy armor, along with acorn tops and acorn pieces, useful for various building projects. Gather as many as you can to bolster your defenses and expand your base.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.